Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Have you all had your breakfast? Yes, dears. Today, Wednesday, today we are going to see one new chapter. Okay, dears? Are you excited for the today's session? Yes. Today's new lesson towards history. This is your second unit towards history. What we studied in the last lesson we studied about our earth. Yes, our earth. Today we are going to see about towards history. Towards history. The learning objectives are: the students can know about the Stone Age, understand the nature of human evolution, understand the human nomadic life. The students can know about the Stone Age, understand the nature of human evolution, understand the human nomadic life. Okay, dears? Do you know what is Stone Age? Do you know what is Stone Age? Let's see what is Stone Age. In the beginning, humans were not aware of metals. In the beginning, humans were not aware of metals. What they say? In the earlier period, humans were not aware of metals. They took several years to discover metals. They took how many years? Several years, which means so many years they take to discover a metal. During this period, to discover metals, our lives today are their gift. What are their gifts? Our lives today we live life are their gifts. Old Stone Age people's gifts. During this period, humans were not aware of scripts. Humans were not aware of scripts. Here is a two more question. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Stones were used as weapons. Stone Age. In the beginning, humans were not aware of metals. They are not aware of metals. They took several years. They took so many years to discover metals. Today we live life. Yes, today we live a happy life. It is a gift of the old Stone Age people because they discover many metals. It helps in our nowadays. It helps nowadays. Yes, during this period, humans were not aware of scripts. During this period, humans were not aware of scripts. The written document is called script. During this period, which means old Stone Age period, the humans were not aware of scripts. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Repeat after me. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Weapons means ஆயுதங்கள். The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. What is Stone Age? The Stone Age is a period in which stones were used as weapons. Is it clear, dears? What they tell? In the Old Stone Age period, the humans were not aware of metals. They took several years to discover the metal. Today, we live life, yes, this life is a gift of the Old Stone Age people. During this period, humans were not aware of written documents. So, they used metals. The Stone Age is a period in which stone skull were used as a weapon. They used stone as a weapon. Next topic. Nature of human evolution. Nature of human evolution. Early humans lived in jungles. Jungle means forest. Jungle means forest. Early humans lived in jungles along with animals. In forest, usually the animals live. In early Stone Age period, the humans also lived along with animals in the forest. They used stone tools to protect themselves, drive away animals, dig out roots, shoots, etc. For what purpose the Old Stone Age people use stone tools? They used stone tools to protect themselves, okay, from themselves from the animals, and drive away the animals, dig out roots, shoots, etc. For what purpose they used stone tools? They used stone tools to protect themselves, drive away animals, dig out roots, shoots, etc. The most important thing is that they ate everything raw, including flesh. Do you know what is the meaning of raw? My dears, do you know what is the meaning of raw? Raw means uncooked. Raw means uncooked, which means not cooked food. We do not eat the not cooked food, right? But the Old Stone Age people used to eat uncooked food, including flesh. They did not know the use of fire in the beginning. At starting age, they did not know how to use the fire. Nowadays, we use fire in many things. To cook the food, we use fire. In many ways, we used fire, right? But the Old Stone Age people, in the beginning, they don't know how to use the fire. At first, dog was their good companion. Companion means friend. At first, which was his friend? Dog. Dog was the first animal. Okay, dears? Dog was the first animal to become a human's good companion, human's good friend. Today also we like dogs, right? It is today we treat dog as a family member, right? So at first also dog was the good companion, good friend. Wild animals ran away when dogs barked. Wild animals ran away. Wild animals means lion, tiger are called as wild animals. Wild animals ran away when dogs barked. When dogs barked, the wild animals ran away. Dog was the first pet animal. Which was the first pet animal? Dog was their first pet animal. They took it wherever they went. Wherever they went, they take the dog with themselves. Okay, dears. Next. Later, they started rearing cattle and were very useful to them. Later only they started rearing cattle and it is very useful for them. So they observed some grains. Grains means cultivated cereals which is used as a food. Okay, grains means cultivated cereals which is used as food. Growing along the riverside. Where the grains growing? The grains growing along the riverside. The meaning of grain is cultivated cereal which is used as a food. Okay. Later they started rearing cattle and were very useful to them. They observed what they observed? They observed some grains. What is the meaning of grains? Grain means cultivated cereals used as a food. The grain, where did the grains grown? The grains grown along the riverside. They ate and found them very tasty. They eat it. Okay, they eat the grains and they found it was very tasty. Which one is very tasty? The grains are very tasty. And then they observed that the scattered grains were eaten up by birds. Then only they observed the birds eat the scattered grains. Okay. Then only they observed. After they eat, then only they observed also the birds eating the same scattered grains. They were keen observers. They were keen observers. Keen observers means deeply observing things. They were deeply observing things. They found that the grains, what is the meaning of grains? Cultivated cereals used as food. Cultivated cereals used as a food. They found that the grains, the cultivated cereal, which is a food, used grains grow up with the help of sunshine and rainfall. We know that the plants grown with the help of sunshine, right? And also rainfall. After they observed the birds eating the same scattered grains, also they found out the grains grow with the help of what? With the help of sunshine and rainfall. Sunshine and rainfall. Thus, they learnt the art of cultivation. So, after this only they learn the art of cultivation. How to cultivate the food. What are they? First they observe first they ate. Then only they observe the birds eating the same scattered grains. Then they deeply observed. Then found out the grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. Sunshine and rainfall. My dears, read along with me so that you can improve your pronunciation skill. Okay? Pronunciation skill is nothing but a reading skill. Read along with me. Later, they started rearing cattle and were very useful to them. They observed some grains. What is the meaning of grains? Cultivated cereals used as food. You have to write this on your book. Write the meaning of grains in your book. Growing along the riverside, they ate and found them very tasty. They ate and found them very tasty. They observed that the scattered grains were eaten up by birds. They observed that the scattered grains were eaten up by birds. They were keen observers. Keen observers means deeply observing things. They found that the grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. Sunshine and rainfall. Thus, they learnt the art of cultivation. Okay, dears. Next paragraph. This is the diagram of old Stone Age people started firing. They used to eat the fruits from the trees. Okay. This is the old Stone Age people. Next paragraph. Humans noticed forest fire. What the humans noticed? The humans noticed forest fire. At first, they were afraid of fire. They are afraid of fire. They found some animals died due to fire. First thing they noticed was forest fire. Then they are afraid of fire because some animals died due to fire. They ate the flesh of the burnt animals. What they ate? They ate the raw flesh of the animals. Okay. They found what they found? They found some animals died due to fire. So they ate that animals. Okay. They ate the flesh of the burnt animals. It tasted good. It tasted good. They also observed that the spark came out by scratching two stones together, which means scratching two stones together like this. Okay. When they scratch the two stones like this, it creates fire. Since then, they ate cooked food. How they found fire? They used to scratching two stones together. Then the spark came out of it. By using that fire, they cooked food. Okay. First, the humans noticed forest fire. At first, they are afraid of fire. They found some animals died due to that fire. They ate that animals. Okay. Already the animals are died due to fire. So, the animals are burnt one. So, they ate the flesh of the burnt animals. And also it tasted good. So, only they used to scratch two stones together. Then the spark came out of it. Spark is a fire came out of it. Since then they ate cooked food. Okay dears. Next topic we see in the next class. Today your homework is this paragraph. You have to write this paragraph. Okay. Stone Age. In the beginning, humans were not aware of metals. They took several years to discover metals. Our lives today are their gifts. During this period, humans were not aware of scripts. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Okay dears, today from here to here is a homework. You have to write this and send it in our group. I am very excited to see all your answers. Okay dears, so write it neatly and clearly. Okay. Also, those who have not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately. Okay dears. Thank you.